stay for this quick cupcake decorating idea.
In this video, I share how I decorate cupcakes with edible jelly crystals.
Hey Sugar, if you're new to my channel, I'm Rox of RoxStarBakes and my passion is making sweet treats.
In this video, I will demonstrate 3 things. 1, how I cut those edible Kohakutou crystals. 2, how I frost the cupcakes. And 3, how I add those crystals to the cupcakes. Part 1, jelly geodes. In the description below, there's a video detailing how to make Kohakatou crystal candy.
What I like about this project is that you can prepare this in parts. Also, unlike rock candies, these are a lot easier to eat. It works best with sparkling water. It starts opaque at first, but it gets clearer as it cooks. So in my last Kohakatou video, I got the question, can you replace agar with gelatin? No.
No.
Agar is actually a red algae, aka seaweed. To save you time, I've linked the details below on how to make Kohakutou crystals. The closest thing that I can equate to Kohakutou is Turkish delight dessert. So it's crystallized on the outside and has a jelly / gummy bear texture on the inside. You can almost always see teeth marks when you bite through the dessert. Let me know in the comments below what colors you choose for your cupcakes. I make edible jelly crystals in the colors of the rainbow, and then some. Swirls! Swirls! So when you dip in the skewer, you're gonna feel a little bit of tension because at this point, if the texture is right, it's a little viscous. This is the test Kohakutou. Here's an alternative version of the Kohakutou crystals where I make everything in one Pyrex baking pan. Cut, cut, cut. I make these crystals in 8 different colors because I don't think there's such a thing as too much color. So I cut lots of angles, lots and lots of angles. So there are lots of edges and lots of edges. Pop, pop, pop. Similar to real crystals, I try to make each crystal a little different in swirls. It kind of gives it a tie-dye effect, which I think is pretty cool. I absolutely love around the edges where it's extra translucent. That's gonna look super pretty later. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. I chop up the crystals into small pieces, small enough to fit onto the cupcakes later. Ta-da! I intentionally created gradient ombre effect for each one because I think they'll catch the light a little better. Part 2, cupcake frosting. Fill the scooper. And this is my Swiss meringue buttercream. I press the frosting onto the cupcake. So you don't see it here, but make sure you tap down so the frosting adheres to the cupcakes. You like funfetti? I like funfetti. Recipe below. Part 3, decorating. Decorating. So when I think about it, I start with the hero crystal. That is the biggest crystal in the center of the cupcake. Then I surround it by smaller crystals adjacently, but closely. OMG! Wow, you did it! High five! Darling, they're gorgeous. That's the kryptonite. Are you excited?
I'm scared. I don't know what.
Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe and hit that bell notification. Ding! You make the world a bit sweeter. It's not hard. If you like cupcakes, coming up is my cupcake idea playlist. It's happening! Is there rice in the rice maker? I'm hungry. I'm so hungry.